Hey everyone, meteorologist Brad Sugden. We have a pretty high risk for severe weather going into the day Wednesday. You can see parts of the lower peninsula. We go from a marginal risk, which is a 1 out of 5 on the scale, to a slight risk, which is a 2 out of 5 on the scale, then an enhanced risk for Lansing, Jackson by Kalamazoo and Monroe County. That is a 3 out of 5 on the scale for severe weather. And we can break it down by specifics. Let's take a look. This is showing tornado possibility only. Now, the percentages don't really pay too much attention to that. What it technically means is within 25 miles of a radius, you can have a 2% or 5% chance of a tornado. Doesn't really mean a lot to a whole lot of folks, but what you need to know here is the chance is there, and the chance is increasing the further south into the state of Michigan you get. Now, this is our biggest threat. This is showing the possibility for wind. Now, this is severe wind gusts coming out of a storm, so it could be straight line winds, microbursts, things like that. And that is in excess of 60 miles per hour. Some cases could be in excess of 70, 75 miles per hour. And this is the same thing. Percent chance based on a 25 mile per mile radius of a point. However, notice lower chances to the north and much higher chances to the south. In fact, when you have a 5% chance in Traverse City compared to a 30% chance in Jackson, Jackson has a 6 times higher possibility for seeing that wind gust than areas off to the north. Kind of a different way to think about it. And lastly, breaking it down here, we have the possibility for hail. Same thing, we got the percentages. However, we have smaller chances to the north, still a chance though, and then higher chances the further down to the south you get. Now, timing for the storms is going to be after 2 p.m. into the day Wednesday, potentially lasting until about 10 or 11 o'clock in the evening. I'll have a lot more updates on that. And of course, thank you to Generator Magic for sponsoring me and sponsoring me for all the severe weather threat we do. They are Michigan based. They have all parts for generators. Very great to give them a call. They ship anywhere as well, so you can order online and have the parts you need during severe weather before it actually hits.